What happens when the daily grind fades away and the purpose that once defined countless lives evaporates alongside it? Across cities once bustling with urgency, vibrant discussions would spark as small groups gather to explore art, science, and philosophy in an effort to replace the traditional narrative of productivity. New forms of expression would flourish, neighborhoods revitalizing with pop-up workshops and creative spaces, while food would find its way through local markets rather than traditional shops. People would begin to chase after personal fulfillment instead of external validation, leading to an era of unexpected creativity, where individuals would boldly venture into projects that reflect their unique passions and desires. As cafes and parks brimmed with laughter and conversation, the race towards productivity was replaced with a dance of exploration. People wandered through streets adorned with murals, and in museums, they found themselves inspired by the artistry of human experience. Families engaged in storytelling circles, sharing tales that spanned generations while the world around them was painted in shades of curiosity and connection. Children craved knowledge not for grades, but for the sheer joy of learning, as adults embraced mentorship roles, guiding the next wave of thinkers and dreamers. Yet, in this rich tapestry of rebirth, a nagging question simmered beneath the surface. As creativity surged, how would the essence of human connection continue to adapt and evolve in a world awash in possibilities? Amid this flourishing environment, a sense of community began to reshape the social fabric, as groups formed around shared interests rather than occupational alignment. Individuals ventured into collaborations that fused their varied talents into projects that excited and challenged them. Local gardens sprung up, where neighbors cultivated not just food but connections, nurturing relationships through seed exchanges and gardening tips. Festivals celebrated this newfound joy in creation, transforming each corner into a canvas of shared experience, and the once lonely pursuit of passion became a collective odyssey, illuminating the beauty of collaboration in a world no longer defined by the 9-to-5 grind. But amidst this burgeoning renaissance, shadows loomed, as some individuals struggled to navigate this new existence. A growing discontent bubbled beneath the surface, where the absence of structure led to feelings of aimlessness. In the quiet moments, whispers of doubt emerged. What if the freedom to explore passions only deepened the longing for purpose? Without the grind that once provided clarity, many began to question their identities, leading to isolation during a time meant for togetherness. For every joyous expression of art, there were sighs of uncertainty echoing in the corners, where the thrill of creativity wrestled with the haunting specter of irrelevance and invisibility in a society that had shifted so radically. How could they reconcile this newfound liberty with an innate desire for recognition and belonging? As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting warm hues over the city, evening gatherings began to form in backyards and parks. Families set up bonfires, musicians strummed on guitars, and laughter echoed in a symphony of camaraderie, filling the air with life. Conversations flourished organically, drawing deeper connections as people shared stories that sparked joy and reflection. Yet, amidst the warmth of connection, a subtle tension lurked. For every burst of creativity, a restless longing for significance whispered in the hearts of many. How to find meaning in a landscape that thrived on exploration rather than definition? Amidst the newfound freedom, the undercurrents of existential reflection began to surface. Humanity faced a cathartic reckoning, challenging itself to redefine worth in this blank canvas of existence. In grappling with the question of purpose, they unearthed a profound truth. Life's richness stems not from labor, but from the connections nurtured along the journey.